Hello fans, welcome to Gossip Big TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Gossip Big TV. God bless you. My people, IK Ugbona Alex Ekubo friend. They don't arrange on how to carry Alex Ekubo papa come out for the hospital when his wife put him. Remember, say IK don't go that hospital. And IK call Alex Ekubo stepmother. The stepmother say the man dey house, say the man dey okay, whereas the man dey hospital. And the shocking thing about this whole situation is that same hospital, when Alex Ekubo for bear RIP, that same hospital na him papa dey. So the IK, they no find this thing funny at all, because IK say papa Alex Ekubo say make the help am, make the save am. Say his spirit no follow up with the plans of his wife bringing him to that hospital. Say make the save am. Now, according to wetin we hear, IK don meet up with some other friends of Alex Ekubo, explain to them, tell them how this old man dey cry, hot tears dey come out from this man eye, begging that they should save him. He no know the reason why they put him for here. He no say he dey cry. He no say he no dey sleep, he no dey eat. No be say because say he dey sick, because he lost his only son, he no get another one. Another child no dey for anywhere apart from Choma. Choma is a girl. He no say that thing na he dey chop am. He even explain give this stepmother, say, which is his wife, say see wetin dey chop am. Those things they affect am seriously. They decided to bring him to the hospital only to abandon him there. Now he call the beg IK say make they help am. Now, after IK don't meet up with other of Alex Ekubo friend, now they come to conclusion say, now to remove the man from that hospital. Even if that man no dey eat, they think say he depressed, anything they do, he's not supposed to be in that hospital. That hospital is not supposed to be there. The man supposed dey house. They supposed they carry and come outside. They supposed to people wey love need to be with him. Maybe Choma. If he still dey see Choma, go dey give am hope. But the fact is that they not allow Choma enter that house again. After IK meet with the other friends of Alex Ekubo, they decided that the best thing for them is to carry Alex Ekubo papa come up for that hospital. So according to them, they say the man no even need to be in that hospital, because wetin dey disturb that man na the RIP of Alex Ekubo. So according to IK, what Alex Ekubo papa need na make person like Choma dey near am. Make people wey be say he love, people wey be say at this moment maybe family members, those are the people he need. Because according to him, he said the way that they treat him now is very different. So when IK go tell the other of Alex Ekubo friends, they say now hot tears, now he come out for their eye, hot tears. IK where they talk the story, the boy they cry. Like IK they cry. They imagine say Alex Ekubo go dey alive. If papa go they go through this thing, it can never happen. They say IK say RIP. RIP. Not be waiting that they wish for person pikin. For person to buy person pikin, I beg buy the mama or buy the papa. Not buy person pikin. The parents goes through a lot. That is exactly the problem when Alex Ekubo papa they go. But because he got married to a woman that have anger in her, that woman they vex. He say Alex Ekubo papa born. She say she not born. And according to her, now Alex Ekubo mama make her not born. Now the woman don't bring out her character. This man now they need to save him. So after they don't do everything finish, do you know that they can call Alex Ekubo stepmother? They can still ask her. This time it was not IK. Another of Alex Ekubo friends, I will not be mentioning names, So they come still call this woman, come ask am say, abeg o, we just say make we greet you, how una dey, how everybody? Say they dey fine. Now they come say, what of daddy Alex Ekubo papa? She say she dey fine. She say he dey fine. Now they say they won't come visit am. They come say they won't come visit am because since when they bury Alex Ekubo Nana, they never come see am. So they don't decide, say all of them they come, they won't come visit am. Now I can say, she go let them know because at this time they are still busy. Can they give different excuse? It can they give different excuse. Now they can say, make it just tell them one day, say they won't come. Anyhow way the thing be, say they are ready to come and see Alex Ekubo papa. Now wait till they can't tell the woman now. Say they won't come see the man. Now this same Alex Ekubo friends, they don't talk with that nurse for that hospital. Say make the nurse they put eye for ground and make the nurse take proper care of Alex Ekubo papa before they come carry am come off for there. So before they won't take any action, they won't see what this woman won't do. Because right now, she say the man there and IK don't go see this man for hospital. He say if you see this man, he say you not go believe say na Alex Ekubo papa. Say you not go believe. Say this man just change once. RIPY. RIPY. He said this man don't change. He said you not go know say now this man wey Alex Ekubo we go to any length to put smile for a papa face. My people, una dey see wetin dey happen. So this woman plan now to remove this man. Then later they'll come remove Chioma. Then they'll just come dey on their own. This woman won't just end this man. It won't end this man. Like this man lineage, this woman won't close am. Now the man now be their target. Wetin Alex Ekubo papa dey find for hospital when Alex Ekubo for buy. Wetin this woman dey follow doctors dey discuss for hospital. A lot of question behind this whole thing. IK don't call the village people wey say no go call, industry call them. Because last all these things they no fit do am on their own. The IK don't reach out to Alex Ekubo people family now. The family members don't decide to send 2 of their children to go meet IK. When these 2 children go meet, these 2 of their son go meet IK, then they go the hospital, they'll go carry Alex Ekubo papa come up for that hospital. They will represent as the family members because IK alone cannot do it. They need the family member. They just say make these 2 people, make them go Lagos, go meet IK. For now, according to waiting the plan, since the woman tell them say, Papa Alex Ekubo theirs, then they'll tell them say, so day like this, we they come, we won't come visit them. So in case they reach that place that day, in case they reach Alex Ekubo as that day, and this woman, the stepmother of Alex Ekubo, is not able to show them Alex Ekubo papa, then they will now go to that hospital with police. They will go carry Alex Ekubo papa come on for them. Because now they don't want to do like say they come with gbasgbos trouble, you know, all those kind of fighting things. They want to see whether this woman will carry this man from hospital go as. Then, according to them, if he carry this man, if he carry Alex Ekubo papa go as, because these people, Alex Ekubo friends, all of them say they won't come pay and visit. In case this woman comes, okay, make people not suspect, make them not know what they happen. He can't go carry Alex Ekubo papa, rush go as. Then they don't tell Alex Ekubo papa, which is IK, don't tell am say, that very day when we they come visit you, so 2 other of your family members will be there with them. So as they come, just tell them say, you no want stay this house again, this Alex Ekubo house, you no want stay. Just insist and they will support you. Is either they carry you go the other of Alex Ekubo house, or they carry you go meet Chioma, or they put you in Alex Ekubo house, put people who will take care of you. But they say there is one thing he must do. He must insist, say he no want stay with that Alex Ekubo stepmother again. He must stand a ground. Because if he not talk, then go talk say the man no wan go. Say na them dey force am. So with the force where the man go put, now they go take the woman say no, we cannot leave him here. He say he don't want to stay. So now wetin the plan right now. If it be say the woman carry the man go house, now their plan be that. But if the woman no gree carry this man go house, say come see they tell them say the man not dey okay, dey one place or dey one other place, they will walk straight to the hospital. They go carry police. After all, Alex Ekubo, 2 other cousins, when they are elders for village, send come. When they come, so they go there. Then they will walk to that hospital with police and they will stand their ground that this man don't want to be here. And he's not supposed to be here. Nothing they do the man. Wetin they disturb the man and his son when he buy, which is normal. If they even have anything to give this man, maybe BP medicine or depression medicine, make it take calm down. Not carry him come put for here. Which sickness is they sick? The man no dey gree eat, no dey gree drink water. Now let that one they do the man. Body no dey pain am. And according to him, he's going through a lot more because these people are treating him bad. Una dey see wetin life be. Na make person dey pray for this life say, RIP may dey far from everybody. Make everybody reach the old age where God take call them. Because if Alex Ekubo dey alive, this thing no go happen. You see, say all those times where Alex Ekubo dey alive, when they pretend as if they are one family, it was all fake. It was all fake. Even when the family they talk, the IK think say this family they be bad person. Their eye don't they reach am now. Their eye don't they reach am. There is nothing. I know say not be all biological brother and sister na good o. But a stranger is always a stranger. No matter how you talk and reach, a stranger is always a stranger. So Alex, so IK now be that old man last hope. If not, maybe from some time now we'll come here say they say Alex Ekubo papa couldn't take the pains, he don't buy. So the Alex Ekubo, the IK now, they have to protect the father of their best friend. Hey, voila. They say IK they cry. IK they cry. With all these things where they see, he no fit believe. Because according to IK, Alex treated this family with love. Alex gave them everything. Alex gave everything. Those 2 children, Alex they train them for school. Alex carry their expenses for head. People they say Alex not married, he not born. Say I now wish he know. This woman carry these 2 children, carry their expenses, give Alex Ekubo. Alex na be their maggi, na be their pepper, na be their salt. This boy was training children. Training. I want to settle down. I want to settle down. The time where he say make it settle down with that other girl, this woman na cause confusion. Now he throw spiritual confusion for her. We be say and the girl, we don't even understand the kind statement where they give. 2 of them scatter. 2 of them scatter, the marriage not get. Because he know say if Alex Ekubo marry that time, he no go get time for these 2 children where go carry come. So he have to carry these children, give Alex Ekubo as if na Alex Ekubo burden. Alex Ekubo can dey train these children. Forget say he get his own life. Now he train the rich where they did today. Anything where those children be today, thanks to Alex Ekubo. But see the way they are treating his father. I can say no believe after everything where Alex do. He say never even reach when Alex buy for you. He say see wetin they just they do. See wetin they just they do. See the way they treat this old man so bad. That is life, oh. That is life. That's why we need to pray. We need to pray. Say anybody will be say, he get evil plan towards us. The ones where we not know. May God expose them. And may God remove them from our midst. That is the first prayer everybody need to pray. Because the worst thing is staying with people that you think they love you and they are your enemy. Una no see the eye when that Amarashite they look choma for that day of burial. that woman don't poison these children mind. These children just they do wayo, they follow Alex Ekubo and his sister. They don't love them. Or the woman don't explain. You don't tell them things. Not be stepmother. Now today we dey hear stories of stepmother. Not be today. No one good. Where they pretend as if they're good. This woman now will think say, oh, see, he good. Until they can't expose them. Person wey pursue your mama comot for husband house. How will they love the children? How will they love the children? The eye where they say they look your mama, now they go still take look those children. Only say pay me say Alex Ekubo no queen know that he was eating and dining with his enemy. IKI don't clear now. IKI don't clear. This woman cannot deceive them again. Imagine telling the friends say their papa dey house, whereas you go through with the old man for hospital. Now just leave him for them. Now so you go there, then the man go buy. Now say the man don't buy because he no fit bear the loss of his son. My people, wonder shall never end though. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Gossip Big TV. God bless you.